Hi everyone. Hello Leo. This is the reading for you 2021 yearly prediction. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. I am doing only headlines of 2021, not in specific. Okay, this is general overall reading for 2021. It is a very quick message. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your overall messages for 2021 Leo. Fire sign. This is very quick message, not in detail. Just headlines of 2021. Wow, your card Leo. Wow. Under the deck, 4 of cups. So what I'm seeing here, first row is for first 4 months and middle and last 4 months. Okay, so in the first 4 months there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you, some brand new beginnings. You started something new in your life. January and February you are like holding back your feelings, 4 of pentacles. Okay, because you have some trust issues regarding your relationship. Definitely you are holding back, but in March someone is approaching you for second chance. Definitely in April they are coming back. I think in March they maybe test the waters before coming towards you. In April definitely they are coming back to you. They decided to come back to you. If you are in separation, definitely they have strong emotions for you. But in March you stand by your power. Definitely you cut someone off because something not good, something not correct, what I am seeing here. Because Ace of Swords, 4 of Pentacles and Justice and Knight of Cups. Yeah, but someone is coming towards you and this could be long distance relationship. In relationship wise, I am not what I am seeing here, lot of love energy here, lot of relationships, but not about pentacles. Only 4 of Pentacles is there. And in the first 4 months, yeah, in relationship someone is coming back to you, and in career wise you started something new in your life. Okay, in middle 4 months, the World, Ace of Cups, King of Swords and the Strength. Yeah, so this could be long distance relationship. You involved in your person and you both live in different cities, different countries or different states. Definitely there is love between both of you. Ace of Cups and King of Swords. I think you are very honest and straightforward person in this connection, and you want to give clarity. There is some clarity is coming in your relationship because they are coming back for second chance, and for some there could be new person also coming towards you. But you overcome whatever going in your life and stand by your power. Strength Leo. It's your reading and it's your card. Definitely you gain your power back and you are very grounded. In the middle, I think in the middle of the year it is very good for you. And last 4 months, I think in life also you will get settled, you will get strength. Okay, whatever is happening in your life, you are no more effective, you are very stable. In the last 4 months, 7 of Wands, 3 of Cups, the Empress and Hierophant. Yeah, commitment is coming in your love life. Someone will get married in this. For some Leos, you will get married, and you stand by your power definitely, and you are very defensive. Celebration, I am seeing lot of celebration. Empress and Hierophant. Definitely there are some marriages, what I am seeing, some committed relationships. If you are not in committed relationship, in the last 4 months there will be coming some commitment is also coming. And celebration and Hierophant, I think in your life there will be some celebrations, like career wise you will be get settled in a very good way, and that's why the Hierophant. 3 of Cups, definitely there is some celebration. In love life also you will get stability. So here lot of water energy. Your person involved is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Libra also. Yeah, I think new persons I am seeing. One is past and another one is new. Yeah, you will get success in every area of your life at the end of the year, in career wise and in relationship wise. Okay, this is very good for you. I think there is no negative in this reading. It is the only reading No negative card. Okay. Leo, wow, this is very good. This year is going to be very good year for you in every area of your life. So let's pull some cards from universe. Final message. Sorry for. Sorry for the distance. So I am having here some sound issues. That's why I'm doing my reading in hall. So that's why it's the problem. Otherwise I'm doing in my room. Some sound problem in my bedroom. So please don't mind. So let's see your overall message from universe. Leo. Oh, 8 of Cups. The Moon. Wow. Temperance. Lot of readings got Temperance card. I think you are getting balance in your life. You are achieving balance. What I'm seeing here. 8 of Cups. I think you maybe walked away from first 4 months. That's why someone is coming back to you. Cut them off because there is no equal give and take. Whatever the reason could be. And the Knight of Swords, definitely I already told you someone is coming back to you. Lot of passion. And the Knight of Swords, communication. The Moon, definitely there is something issues are going between you and your person. That's why the separation has happened. But end of the month you achieved balance in every area of your life. Okay, this is very good year for you. In relationship wise, some commitment is coming. In career wise, definitely will get success. There is some celebrations also in the last 4 months. So this is the quick message for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.